to the Scholar. In today's video, we're diving into entrepreneurship and business management, focusing on N4 principles that every aspiring business leader should know. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, these tips will help you navigate the complex world of business management. Let's get into it. Before diving into business management, it's essential to understand the foundation of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is not just about starting a business. It's about solving problems and creating value. The first step is identifying opportunities in the market, solving a problem or improving a process. But it's also about risk-taking, innovation, and, most importantly, perseverance. Now let's talk about N4, a set of principles in business management that will guide your entrepreneurial journey. These principles are networking, negotiation, nurturing, and navigating. Let's break them down. Business management N4 principles. Networking. Networking is crucial in business. It's about building connections, finding mentors, and leveraging your network for growth. Attend industry events, use social media, and connect with like-minded people who can help you expand your reach. Negotiation. Negotiation is a skill every entrepreneur needs. Whether you're closing deals with clients, securing funding, or hiring employees, strong negotiation skills can make a huge difference. Remember, good negotiations are win-win. Nurturing. Nurturing your business relationships is just as important as finding new ones. Keep in touch with customers, partners, and your team. Building long-term relationships leads to trust, loyalty, and ultimately, sustainable success. Navigating. Business is full of challenges. Navigating these challenges with a clear vision, adaptability, and strategic thinking is key. Stay focused on your goals and adapt to market changes. The ability to pivot when needed can be the difference between success and failure. So, how do you apply these N4 principles to your own business journey? Let's discuss some practical tips. Tip number 1. Build a strong network. Start by attending industry conferences, joining online communities, and participating in local business events. Surround yourself with people who can offer support, advice, and collaboration. Tip number 2. Practice negotiation every day. Start practicing negotiation in your daily life. Negotiate deals, ask for discounts, and even practice with family or friends. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become in high-stakes negotiations. Tip number 3. Nurture your existing relationships. Check in with your clients and employees regularly. Send personalized emails, thank you notes, or offer incentives for continued loyalty. Show your team they're appreciated, and they'll help your business grow. Tip number 4. Stay agile in your business strategy. The market is constantly evolving. Stay informed about industry trends. Listen to your customers, and be ready to adjust your strategy when needed. A business that can pivot quickly is often the most successful. Finally, entrepreneurship and business management require a solid understanding of key principles. N4 principles will help you build a strong foundation and adapt to the challenges you face as a business owner. By applying these principles consistently, you will increase your chances of long-term success. I hope you found these tips helpful in your entrepreneurial journey. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who are passionate about business. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own business experiences. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.